Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. Ayan, so I hope you are all doing well, strong, and healthy. So general reading lang to, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Let's see, Sagittarius, what is your energy for this week? You have the 9 of Wands. Iba sa inyo, pagod na. Pero lumalaban pa rin. Pagod na sa trabaho, pwedeng pagod na sa relationship, or pagod na sa mga responsibilities ninyo. But, you are strong, you know? You are strong. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. And then, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Sagittarius? The Hermit. Gusto nyo mapag-isa, no? Gusto nyo bigyan ng time yung sarili nyo na kayo lang. Kaya lang, pwedeng marami kayong kailangan gawin, marami kayong kailangan kausapin, marami kayong kailangan puntahan. I think, ang challenge sa inyo is hindi kayo nakakapagbigay ng sapat na oras at panahon sa sarili nyo na yung me time, 'di ba? Yung halimbawa, ikaw lang lalabas, aalis, ipapamper mo yung sarili mo. So I feel like you really want a break, parang ganon. And some of you challenging na mag-break kasi marami kayong responsibilities na kailangan gawin. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Sag? Wow, Wheel of Fortune. So, as an opportunity, maganda to kasi ibig sabihin yan may pagbabago na mangyayari. Oo. The wheel is turning your favor. On your favor. So, kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, challenges, magbabago na yan anytime soon. May movement na, no? If you're feeling stuck, yan, ito na. Abante na. That is your opportunity. And also, maaring meron kang opportunity to explore yung mga iba pang gusto mong subukan sa buhay, can be travel. So, this is your blessing. Wow, the sun, ang ganda naman. As a blessing, the sun is very positive energy because the sun is about the light, liwanag, no, lakas. The sun is very powerful, diba? So I think your blessing is you will get through with this, no? Whatever you are working on right now na nakakapagod, mapagtatagumpayan mo yan. Darating yung time na meron ka ring oras at panahon sa sarili mo. And some of you, this is travel opportunity, no? Maaring you will be going to some places na you've been manifesting, you've been wanting, you've been working really hard para makarating ka dun. So, let's see your recent past energy. Recent past ng mga Sagittarius. Ooh, may transformation. Nagkaroon ng ending. May natapos and then you are starting. I think you're starting to build your new life, no? And it's exhausting, nakakapagod. Halimbawa na lang yung naglipat ng bahay, 'di ba? Syempre may ending doon kasi kung saan ka man tumira before, natapos na 'yon and then you are starting new sa bagong bahay. So, di ba kapag naglipat, tapos pag bago yung bahay mo, ang dami mo kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin. So, ganon. So, I feel like sa inyo, yung mga nagsisimula ngayon ng bagong career, trabaho, or relationship, no? You are still trying to feel the energies or parang, alam mo yun, nagsisimula eh. So, nangangapa pa. Okay? You still have a lot of work to do. And then, your current, present. Okay, 5 of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, maaring challenging yung finances ninyo. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng maraming gastos or, you know, maraming kailangang bayaran. Okay? Kaya parang you feel like, ano ba to? Wala bang katapusan? Paulit-ulit, ganun. So, what is your near future? 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands is protection. This is also about, you know, success in the things that you do. So, I think, whatever this is you are going through, malapit nang matapos tong pagod, no, na nararamdaman ninyo. You will gain your energy, and in the near future, kayang-kaya mong i-survive lahat ng mga path na iti-take mo, even the challenges. Okay? Ayan naabot mo na yung tuktok. And maganda yung view dyan from the top. So, I think you in the near future, you will achieve a goal. Meron kang goal, tapos ma-achieve mo yan. Divine service. How can you serve yourself better? See? How can you serve yourself better? Minsan kasi parang ibang tao yung laging iniisip natin. So, this time, ikaw naman, paano mo raw mapapangalagaan ang iyong sarili? And then, free spirit. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. So, I think doon sa mga laging pagod or marami kayong inaasikaso like sa business, sa trabaho ninyo, magkaroon kayo ng subukan nyo ng meron kayong libangan, hobby, para yun yung way ninyo to distress, no? To relax. Biking, 'di ba? Or paghalaga ng halaman, kung ano-ano pa, na kung saan malilibang ka. Na may express mo ang iyong freedom, ang iyong creativity. Your self-care o power. The ability to suck it up is not a superpower. Saying no is. Own your power. Yes. Huwag mong hayaan na i-take advantage ka ng iba, na parang lagi ka nalang yes ng yes sa iba. It's okay to say no. Okay? Lalo na kung hindi mo kayang i-deliver on your own or parang too much na. Too much for them to ask. Protect your energy. Protect yourself, no? Because you have the power. You should have the power over yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.